ready to turn your humble motel into a 5-star empire. Let's unlock the secrets to mastering my perfect hotel. First, prioritize upgrades that directly impact guest satisfaction. Focus on room quality and bathroom upgrades early. Happy guests equal better reviews and more income. Next up, efficient staffing is key. Train your employees regularly to boost their speed and effectiveness. Start with housekeeping and reception, as these heavily influence guest impressions. Did you know you can merge staff cards? Combine duplicates to create super efficient employees. A level 2 cleaner cleans twice as fast. This saves you coin in the long run. Expanding your empire unlocks new revenue streams. Plan your expansion strategically, focusing on adding more rooms initially before venturing into restaurants or spas. Don't neglect the research lab. Invest in perks that improve your operational efficiency, like faster cleaning times or increased tip revenue. Make smart use of boosters. Save your gems for critical situations, like when you need a quick boost in income or instant cleaning to handle a sudden rush. By following these tips, you'll transform your hotel into a hospitality haven. Now go forth and build your perfect hotel empire. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gaming tips.